and welcome to the weekly weather briefing. This is Stephanie Sullivan, meteorologist with the National Weather Service in San Diego, California. Let's take a look at what we have in store for this week. The main weather hazard for the first half of the week is elevated to high surf, particularly for Orange County. Surf of 4 to 7 feet will occur, with sets as high as 8 to 10 feet in far northern Orange County for places like Huntington Beach. With this comes an increasing risk of rip and longshore currents at all Southern California beaches. Inexperienced swimmers are urged to stay out of the water, and if you do decide to go in, make sure to swim near lifeguards. If you're caught in a rip current, swim sideways out of it and then back to shore. As far as temperatures, we'll see gradual warming through the week, though highs will remain several degrees below normal for the first half of the week, especially for inland areas. Near the coast, highs will be closer to, but still a few degrees below normal. Tuesday and Wednesday will both feature highs in the mid-70s along the coast, low to mid-80s in the valleys, 70s in the mountains, mid to upper 80s in the high deserts, and mid-90s to low 100s in the low deserts. If you're missing more summer-like weather, you're in luck. For later in the week, we're looking at our next mini heat wave. Temperatures peak at 3 to 10 degrees above normal Saturday through Monday, with Sunday being the hottest day. Heat risk will be moderate to locally major on Sunday, putting those who are sensitive to heat or don't have adequate cooling at risk. Highs on Sunday will be in the 80s along the coast, low to mid-90s for inland Orange County and the western valleys of San Diego County, mid-90s to low 100s in the inland valleys, upper 70s to around 90 in the mountains, mid-90s in the high deserts, and around 110 in the low deserts. Temperatures on Saturday and Monday will be around 2 to 3 degrees lower than what we'll see on Sunday. While there is the potential for some increase in moisture over the weekend, right now it doesn't appear to be enough to trigger any showers or thunderstorms, so the monsoon is looking more like a non-soon for the next week or so. Next weekend will also feature a likely return of at least elevated surf and an increased risk of rip currents across portions of Orange County. A disturbance currently off the coast of far southern Mexico has a 90% chance of becoming a tropical cyclone by Wednesday. As this system tracks west, it will send long period south to southeast swells to California. The track and intensity of this storm will determine how large the swells and surf will be, so stay tuned. At this time, it looks like surf will be the only impact we see from this system, as the high pressure system that brings us the heat this weekend will keep this tropical cyclone and any of the moisture associated with it away from us. That's all we have for this week. Stay tuned to weather.gov/San Diego or our social media for updates on the heat and surf. And welcome to local summer!